Are you searching for the most stylish and affordable yet functional electric bike? Then the Nakto Classic electric bike will surely give you an excellent value for money. This step-through electric bike is the perfect choice if you're a student or an employee looking for an efficient way to level up your daily commute. The Nakto Classic electric bike comes with a powerful 250-watt brushless motor to give you an extra boost in your rides. You'll never have to worry about the battery life on distant trips, as this bike has a range of up to 20 miles in a single charge and can carry a load of up to 250 pounds, perfect for daily use. In terms of style, the Nakto Classic electric bike is designed to fit the lifestyle of young adults who are looking for a fashionable and comfortable electric bike, all without breaking the bank. Essentially, the Nakto Classic electric bike is the perfect combination of style, functionality, and affordability. With all the features of Nakto Classic, this is undoubtedly the best value electric bike. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.